All right, welcome back, guys. Now, this video will be different from every other video you guys have watched on this channel or on YouTube community. The reason is because this particular one will be more of practical oriented, not just stories about the trading strategy. Because most people, their mindset is that everyone on YouTube that teaches about trading is just a content creator and not a real life trader. Now, I have done a lot of videos on this channel proving to you guys that we trade with all these strategies we are giving to you guys. So I decided not to create video just only on strategy, but implement it on real life market, on real trading account. And if I had done it only on one trading day, it would have been maybe coincidence, but multiple days. That shows that if it work on this day, work on another day, and continuously working on other days, then this can be trusted and then reliable. And that is why I'm proving it to you guys that, okay, this strategy can be trusted. This is something you can make use of. This is something you can depend on that can help you to grow your small trading account. So it's not just going to be a one-day video. We're going to compile all the trading days together. But while I am trading real life, I am teaching you guys about the strategy. Just keep listening to every word from my mouth, even while I am trading on my MetaTrader 5 and then making some trading view. Then just keep listening to everything, because at the end, this strategy can be the only one you trade with as a forex trader. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. All right, so the first information I would like to let you guys know regarding this trading strategy is the direction of the market. Now, at this point, obviously, a lot of you guys know me by now that I don't joke with direction of the market. And that is why you guys always comment it on my comment section. Direction is king of the market, because you guys heard it from me. So there is no way I can approach any trading day without a clear direction of the market. Direction is that very important. Only the knowledge of direction alone as a trader will place you 80% ahead of every other traders in this industry. So once you know the direction of the market, you have 80% chance of winning that trade that very day. Like, as I always keep saying it, all right, the only reason why people fail or why they lose money is because they got the direction wrongly. So to make money or to be in profit, you have to get the direction correctly, meaning you have to be in line with the market makers. That shows how important direction is, because without direction, you can't make money as a trader. Then when you are done with direction, the next thing is entry. All right, you guys got to see everything done real life in this video. And then from entry, we move into management. But first, let me explain how to find out the direction of the market. Then before we move to the entry part of it, and then of course, you guys got to watch me execute trade real life, just with this information I've given to you guys. Now, right here on my chart, of course, I'm always on NAS 100, which is also US Tech on my broker. Now, if you take a look, there are two curves here, the bullish, the buy side, and then the sell side. Now, direction is very, very easy, but just that the problem that people have is the discipline, all right? But outside the discipline, direction is very, very simple. Now, there's one statement I want you guys to take note of. The market is always on continuation phase unless there is a reversal in the market. For example, every move from here, from this point to the downside, was continuation phase, and which is bearish continuation. So the moment there's a reversal here, this turning point, how do we know a reversal? After the markets, have closed below the previous candle, you can use this one or this very one. This one will be very good. All right, if I open up this very well, you can use this one. The moment this candle closed below, then every day you'll be looking for bearish opportunity. The moment you come into the market back to back consistently until there's a reversal. Reversal is when another candle closes above the previous one. For example, all these ones couldn't close above, couldn't close above, couldn't close above until this point here. There's a reversal here. Either you use this one or you use this one. And then from there, the buy continues to this level until this reversal. And then you change your direction continuously. This is how to frame direction of the market. Now, there are some exceptional cases whereby there's a reversal and then no continuation. More videos in the future will deal with that, all right? But for now, this is how to frame direction as simple as possible. Then you move into entry. Now, regarding the entry, this is something I'm always interested in, all right? Which is this shaded area here. This is the London key zone, all right? London key zone, New York key zone. It's always there every day in the market. If you don't have this indicator, you can do it manually. It's usually from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. right here. But to save you time, just put this indicator here, this KZ bosses, click indicator here. Just click on this indicator here. You see ICT key zone bosses right here by Bryce WH. All right, then you set it up. The setup is very simple as well. Just click on settings. Just click on settings and then take out all these bosses right here. Take all of them off. Then you have exactly something like this on my chart. Now, it's very simple. All I need price print the high of the day for a bearish day. Just very simple. Price print the high of the day. The rest of the day will be bearish. So now I know the direction of the market is bearish. Price has print the high of the day. All I need to do is just to keep opening up my order. And that is exactly what you guys are going to see me practicalize right now on this video on a real life trading account, real trading day. And from there going forward, you guys have a lot to learn watching me practicalize it on real life, real life, real life. So, all right. So let me shift this into this side. Okay. Now, let me go to lower time frame. 5 minutes time frame is okay for me to see what I want on the market. At this point, first of all, we know what direction it is, right? Direction is bullish. The direction of the market is still bullish on this time on this asset NAS 100. So I move it to 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame is looking bearish, but this looks to me low of the day for me to buy on NAS 100. All right. So if I go to 15 minutes time frame, I swear you can see it, you can see how price reacted, swept the Asia. I always tell you guys to pay attention to the low that was created during the Asia session. That's why you are seeing this dotted line on my chart. It shows the Asia session, right? Or this line, they are the daily separators. They separate each trading day. So this one came to sweep all liquidity to the downside. Now it's an opportunity for me to place my trade. So I will share my screen again on MetaTrader 5. Then, of course, NAS 100 is US Tech here using my broker, SNES. So I placed my first trade. Because the account size is very low, let me check. The account size is 10 USD. All right. Let's see what we can get from 10 US dollar. So place my first trade. Now, if you are new to this channel, there are a lot of videos I've done regarding direction of the market, regarding entry, regarding low of the day. So of course, it's going to be a collection of different trading days, all right? I don't know if it's going to be one day, but I think I can do it for different days, all right? So before the end of the video, I will do more detailed explanation on direction of the market, entry confirmation, low of the day, high of the day. Let me first check my trades right now. Just two orders. I'm going to place one more. Now, I'm doing it. The way you trade on a small trading account, you have to be careful. What do I mean by being careful? That's why it's good to always time the very low of the day or high of the day if you are selling. But for me, I'm buying, right? So that as you are engaging on the trade, it just go on profit immediately. So that to avoid unnecessary drawdown, your account balance is very small. And for my last video, I told you guys about this free margin here, all right? So long we are having more margin, you can see my margin here is 7.90, that's 8 USD. I can still place more trade, and which I'm going to do right now. Then once I see that the market has given me willingness for me to for you to push to the upside, obviously, then I'm going to take more trade, more and more and more and more trade. But for now, I'm going to hold on with just these three orders. When I come back here, I see willingness for the market to push up, then I will smash it more and more and more and more. Here is 0.06 now. Let me even make it 0.08. All right. No, let me leave it for 0.06 because in case of any retracement, we just have enough room because the account size is small. You can see my free margin is 6 point. I can still place more trade. That's why I tell you guys, make sure you use that broker. The name could be in the description part of this video so that you have more room to trade on a smaller account. All right. So I'll be back and then give you guys further update on this account. All right guys, so it's good to be back. Right now you can see all the trade is already on profit. So I'll go to 1 hour time frame. Let us take a look at the recent reaction in the market. Yeah, if you observe what is going on right here, you will see that there was a sudden move to the upside, right? Like somehow, I don't know if it's news that triggered it, but there was a reaction into the market that pushed it to suddenly to the upside, all right? But my whole joy now is that obviously we're already on profit. You guys can see it running above almost 5 US dollar right now, and we just have just 3 orders, right? So from before I left, I told you guys I'm looking for a comfortable level whereby I can take in more trade. But I think with what the market, because if you are trading on a small account, you don't want to be on the drawdown, and if you're on the drawdown, you don't want to be on the drawdown for that long. So I think from what I can get, what I'm seeing for the market, there's possible, like I believe at this point this market is ready to take off. So I will be looking for another entry opportunity because just 0.6 lot size is not enough. All right, 0.06 is not enough for me to grow this account to what I want to do. So I will look for more entry right here, and I'm going to take it live with you guys, and then you guys got to see it done, executed really live. Okay, now like as I keep telling you guys, once the direction is confirmed, that is the most important thing. Once you know the direction, all you just need to do is keep scaling in on the same small account, and you guys go to watch me do this for a couple of days. Keep scaling in. So all right, so like as I was saying, all right, so I just want to place my trade right now. The same lot size, 0.02. Place the buy. Um, Place. I'm going to make it just two trade at this point. Okay, that's altogether 5. All right. So let's see how it's going to develop now, and I'll be back and I'll give you guys updates on it. All right. So I believe at this point you guys can see everything is looking very good. We're about 8 US dollar, and it's written on the equity. Equity is around 17 USD now. Now take a look at my margin, right? You can see my margin is rising as that's what I told you guys. Once you are using a good broker, your free margin will be rising, and you can place more trade, and so on and so forth. You can see now, if I go to 15 minutes time frame, no, let me first go to 5 minutes time frame. If you take a look at the current price action, you will see that there are more room for price to push to the upside, and that is why there's a lot of room. If you take a look, that's why I keep buying. All right, guys. So it's already night right here in Nigeria. This is 24 US dollar profit. Let's see my equity. My equity is now sitting at 34 USD, guys. 34 USD, and you guys know we started from as little as 10 USD. Let me go to daily time frame. So for those of you that want to do my target, let me show you guys my target. But I can leave this thing on. I can even leave it like against tomorrow because it's already late right here. You can see that equal highs here. Those are my targets. And if I'm done with that, I move on to this one game. That is my target. You can see profit is sitting tight, going back to 1 hour time frame. Because it's already late night, I'm not going to close, partially. I must get to my original target. After that high is taken out, I will check how much the market has given me. Then I will know the next action I'm going to take. Okay, so but for now, everything is looking so good, guys. So good, so good. I'm not going to lie to you guys. All right, so what I will do, I will still take another break, then I will be back and then give you guys update. All right, it's already late night. Tomorrow we're going to continue from where we stop, and if possible add more orders on this tomorrow, and then we're going to keep pushing it, guys. Keep pushing it. All right, guys, so new trading day. Everything is still intact according to yesterday move, so no big change in the market. See around that 20 something USD, equity 30 something USD. Same balance, of course, same account. All right, now you see I have a lot of margin, so I can place trade today. All right, just go to lower time frame. Now the question is, can we place trade without the low of the day has formed already? Yes, of course. Let's take it back here on Euro USD. Sorry, on NAS 100. I've always been trading Euro USD for a very long time. So I'm going to place, I think I'll place 4 orders today, including the ones I have before, or I could make it 5. All right, so more orders, more opportunity. Now I don't need for the low of day to be formed. Okay, if I still want to take more trade, I still have enough free margin, I can place more trade as well. Okay, so like as I said, once you use this broker that I trade with, you have a lot of leverage, a lot of freedom to do as much as you like. But I think at this order is enough for me for now, and then I'm going to hold on to the all the position now. They need more room to push to the upside. So I'm just going to exercise patient. I still have a lot of margin in case I want to place more trade, but this one is enough. So my goal is that I think I'm not going to place any more trade again until I hit 100 USD or above 100 USD. All right, guys. So just like magic, everything is perfectly moving. You can see all the orders already on profit. All the orders we took this morning. So we have above. You can see my equity right now above 55 USD, and then of course the balance is still the same. Just like everything has been, and I have enough free margin in case I want to engage on more positions, and the market is just getting started. You can see. Just getting started, and then we have gotten above 44 45 USD. All the others we took this morning in profit. I'll go to daily time frame, and then you guys will see my target is still very much intact. We need to come for that target. All right, before we hit that target, every others here you see here will definitely be on profit. All right, every others there will be on profit. I'll be back to update you guys. All right, guys. So this is day 3 of account flip, and you can see up above 80 US dollar, and then my account balance equity is 90 US dollar above. Balance is the same 10 USD, and we have a lot of free margin to do whatever we want to do. That is the advantage of having a good broker to trade with. I've told you guys, trade with my broker. The link is in the description part of this video. That's when you can do tasks like this. But apart from that, can you see the 1 hour time frame, guys? All the entries delivering perfectly. This is what it takes to have this key, guys. This is what it takes to have this key. Now if you have two people that okay, you can trade the $10 account, 6 US dollar account, 5 US dollar account, many of them is not going to believe, but you can see it happening in real life here. Real life, guys, real life. So let me go back to daily time frame. You can see we have already taken out our target, but I'm not going to close the trade yet. All right, guys, so this is going to be, I think at this point I am done. All right, this is almost 4 days of account flip, and then we have already crossed the $100 US target. So from $10 to 100 USD, that's a lot of, okay, that's a lot. It's like somebody doing $100 to $1,000, then $1,000 to $10,000 or $100,000. There you can see all the nice entries. What I'll do, because at this point I want to close out all my trades, all right, so that I can pull out some money. But if I wanted to take it a little bit further, I would start stacking on this 100 US dollar. I can't take it from 100 USD to $1,000, and then probably from that $1,000 take it to like 5k or 10k. That's how it work with this strategy. Okay, the same thing, all right, the same thing. Keep holding. And I'm going to do a free mentorship webinar for you guys. I'm going to find a date. I'll talk to my team. We're going to find a date to fix a date for you guys to do free mentorship webinar, either this Saturday or next Saturday. We upload it on the Telegram channel, okay, so that you guys can learn more about this whole approach of trading. But at this point I think I am done. What the market has given to me, I think quite enough for this kind of task, 10 US dollar. So what I will do, I will close out all my position, and then I will place my withdrawal right now, just you guys to see that everything we are doing here, we are not faking anything. All right, so I'm going to close my first order, and then I think the ones I've started with low, the first day order, that's the one I'm going to start with. Okay, so I'm going to close, right click, close this very one. Yeah, close position. All right, close more orders, or maybe this is my, I think I'm going to do multiple bulk operation, instead of just to close them manually. I think bulk operation should be better, but let's see. Close more orders. All right, it's already getting, let me do bulk operation. No bulk operation this time. Accept it. Then close all position. That's, yeah, close all position. Zoom. That's it, guys. That's it. We are done with everything about this operation. We have succeeded in everything. You can see 103 US. All right, so withdrawals is usually is the easiest job on earth. All right, 103 on this small account. So click on withdrawal button, and then we're going to fill out all the form, all the details here. It's very easy. I don't want to bore you guys all these operations, so I'm just going to do it and then probably post it on my social media, and then we are done. Okay, so it's very easy. All right, so I hope this video has been insightful to most of you guys. So at this point I'm going to end everything now and then come back to my social media page. All right, we're still going to do more tasks ahead in the future, probably do another task like 1 USD, 2 USD, 5 USD. But all right, stay tuned, guys. I'll see you guys next upload. Peace.